Hello and welcome to this YourPMO video tour. We're going to be having a quick look in this session at the browser app running on a typical Android type tablet. So I'm here in my select project area. I can see my portfolios and projects. I can, once I've selected my project, go through any of the functionality I want from the menu at the top here. So let's go and look at Explore. And here I can see my navigation diagram showing me the processes available for this particular project. If it's a little difficult to read, I can expand that to see a more complete diagram, and I can then click into the process and it will show me the documentation that's available and appropriate here for that particular process. Simple to use. I simply navigate to the file I'm interested in, and then I've got a range of choices of what I might do with that. I can view it, I can check it out, make changes, check it back in again, all depending on the type of apps, of course, that I have available on my device. I can also use the email facility here to email the file to a colleague, and I can use add file to add any new files I want to this project. Very popular for photos taken with smartphones and tablets, etc., as well as any other sorts of files that you're interested in adding. So really useful file management interface here. I can also go and see some other information automatically set up for me by the system. So here, if we have a look at tasks, this is going to go away and get me the project plan. Now, last time I looked at this area, I was interested in fact in portfolio tasks. So that's all the projects from this particular portfolio, and overdue tasks. So I've narrowed this filter. So let's just go and take that back to default. So let's come and have a look at the default view. So this is a default view of the portfolio. It's showing me each of the project plans all glued together. We've got something like 4 projects in here. Some of them are coming from Microsoft Projects, some are coming from Planner, and we can see all that information immediately available. If I want to just go back to my project, I can just go to the project like that, reload, and I'll just get my project plan. Very straightforward to do, and that's because the system, every time the file for the plan is updated, has updated the data for me, and therefore I can get that instantaneously into an analysis like this. I can do exactly the same sort of thing with my other controls, with risks and issues and resources. So let's have a little look at a resource profile for this project. So here we've got our project resource chart. I can do the same sort of thing with risks and issues, of course. So let's go and get a risk analysis, all the current projects risks, lots of different bits of charts and statistics and heat maps, etc., as well as my risk and perhaps response lists as well. So lots of detail there, immediately accessible. Great if somebody asks you, what's the top 5 risks for this project? You can come here and get your particular view that you're interested in. So this one's got a top 10 risks view, and it'll go away and organise that for you, the top 10 risks. So very nice and easy to follow. Reporting is also available here. So if I come to the dashboard, here we've got all our pre-saved type reports. So here's my list of available standard project reports. So I'm going to pick project to browser, and I'm going to choose to create that here, create that here. And that's going away and getting all the data for this project, putting it into the preferred arrangement. And so I've just hidden away my list, and now I've got my benefits and finances, information on status, etc. I've got the latest images and plans, risks, issues for this project, and then any other custom things here like a benefit list, highlight report, etc. Easy to produce. A lot of people are doing board meetings and things like this now, projecting this up onto a screen. So you can do exactly the same sort of thing for portfolio level reporting as well. Also, while you're in here, you can do all your sort of general day-to-day administration. So I can create new projects, I can set up my properties if I want to add any extra things for reporting, etc. Manage extra stages, and also delete projects and things from here as well. I can also set up my portfolios, which projects are grouped together, and I can also do my basic sort of administration from here as well. Okay, that's a quick run through the YourPMO Browser app running on an Android device. Thank you.